Coach, it was off by 3 cents. That doesn't matter. Do you see how this just tapped the 21 and stayed below it? That's a good sign. That's bearish. We want to see it stay below this 21. Did anybody collect when I said right here?
Yes, sir.
Did anybody go long? Did anybody go long when I said right here?
I did.
Thank you. And now you collect up here at the 21. See it? Because that is resistance. Make sense? Now,
Coach, would you get in on the 21 to the downside there? Would that be a good entry or no way?
If I do, I'm going to have a tight stop just above the 21, right? Because the problem is the potential is to drive back up to this 567.21, and I don't want to pay that price. So if I'm going to short off the 21, it better be a real tight stop. Otherwise, I would just wait for up here to see if it can sit down. But we can always trade off the 21 on a quick scalp with a tight stop just on the other side.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yep. But everybody else, right? You made your money. It came down here. We shed. We collected. Some of you went long. Congratulations if you listened to the sound of my voice. I told you 8,000 times in a row. What exactly is my favorite trade? Double bottom bounce to the 21 right here. So if this rejects this 21 and comes back down, it's going to be very bearish for a nice setup. Now you guys are bouncing between this 9 and 21. I want to see this pull below the 9. Otherwise, this has got strength to the upside. So I need this on the other side of the 9 right here. I want to see this get pushed down, drop hard, make new low. Pops to 21. We're coming right back up to 567.20. Right here, though, I like the way it's respecting this 21 on the 1 minute. See it? But I hate the way it's sitting in the middle. Look at this. This is why I don't trade, right? Don't trade in this spot. Just wait. Again, though, this is why I say, right? Take the money down here. Then it popped up. And if it pulls back and breaks through, we can add here. So this would be where I add those shorts. But this is why I'm saying take that guaranteed money that you made all the way down to here, right? Because if this runs up the rest of the day and then you got to get out up here, you're going to be really upset with yourself that you didn't collect the profits here, right? Because you lost all of this to this. Am I right?
Eat the cookie.
Yeah, you got it. And look at it. This is why I said take the damn profits